Assalamu alaikum. So my mom was, even though it was connected, but I don't know. So yeah, I found out pretty late that I was getting no audio input, which is quite sad. But anyhow, let's get to it. So we were, we started off with female histology, describing histology with uterine tube, so on and so forth. I want to show you the things, right? So fallopian tube, right? Yeah. So fallopian tube is pretty interesting, right? It's got peg cells, it's got ciliated cells, and of course the muscular layer, right? So you have the mucosa, you have the muscularis, and then the serosa. Uh, Pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. I've made like this awesome notebook kind of illustration of it, which we will add. But right now, let's finish up with all of this, shall we not? Okay. Next question now, the uterus. The uterus is very interesting. It is remarkable, no doubt about it. So, if someone says describe the histological layers of the uterus, then it's going to be a very, very, very fun answer to write because there's just so much to talk about, right? Because the uterus, the fun thing about the uterus, it's got three histological layers, right? Your endometrium, your myometrium, your perimetrium, all of them have a story that we need to discuss and write down because why not, mate? So let's get to it. So layers of the uterus. So three main layers, right? Three main layers, or there's no point to write that down now. Um, endometrium. Endometrium. It is the mucosa. Isn't that cool? So endometrium की क्या खास बात है उस्ताद? यार देखो, it has two layers. It's got the functional layer, right? It sheds during menstruation, and then you have the basal layer. Cool, right? Basal layer. Basal layer की क्या खास बात है यार? It basically regenerates the functional layer, right? Cool, right? And of course, the epithelium itself is simple columnar. Of course, simple columnar with uterine glands. That's the endometrium. Then we have the myometrium. It is the thickest layer. It has got smooth muscles. Okay, then we have the perimetrium. Perimetrium is our serosa, and is the outer connective tissue plus mesothelium layer. Awesome, right? So I think they don't ask for detail, but endometrium, myometrium, perimetrium, pretty good and decent answer. Of course, यूट्रस सिर्फ इस पे तो नहीं है, उसके और भी सवाल आ सकते हैं, राइट? वो पूछ सकते हैं कि um, you know, what are the histological features of proliferative versus secretory? So we have the proliferative phase. Proliferative phase के अंदर क्या होता है? It is estrogen dominant. Okay, नहीं बुलेट आ जाएंगे ना इसमें, ये आ गई. So estrogen dominant, straight glands, compact stroma, and yeah, that's a good enough. And then we have secretory phase. Of course, bullets here as well. So it is the progesterone dominant phase. It's got a saw-toothed, coiled glands, and it's got an edematous stroma. Right? Fair enough. Very, very, very simple description. No need to go into a lot of detail on that one. Right? There's no point, right? Like, what's the point? What's the point? Hey, I'm walking in. I'm so sorry. Hey, I'm walking in. Anyhow, um, yeah, we're good. Are we not? I think we're good. Um, let's discuss the histology of the cervix, and then, of course, the what do you call the vagina as well, right? Let's get to it. Okay, okay. Next question: the histology of the cervix. Alrighty. Oh, so you have the ecto cervix, which is stratified, squamous, non-keratinized epithelium. You have the endocervix, which is the simple columnar epithelium with mucus secreting glands. Then you have, yeah, and then of course the transition site, which is common for cervical cancer. It is transformation zone. Transformation zone, side of metaplasia. Right, that's basically it. That's all you need to know. And then, of course, the um, describe the histology of the vagina. And इसके अंदर, of course, हम basically बता सकते हैं कि इसके अंदर भी यार it's like very clearly stratified, squamous, non-keratinized epithelium, no glands. It receives its lubrication from the cervical mucus, and it's, yeah, lamina propria is rich with elastic fibers. Awesome. I think that's good enough. Okay, that is perfect. Um, yeah, it is perfect. You know, I personally believe it's all good. Another question that they may ask: what is a Nabotian cyst? So it's basically, and how is it formed? It is a benign cyst when mucus secreting cervical glands are obstructed by the squamous epithelium, right? Um, yeah, awesome. That's good enough. Let me see. So if I, let's see. So what comes up when I check out this part? So yeah, they love to ask, you know, distinguishing questions, right? Um, but I hope that, you're able to get it, right? There's no problem in answering the questions. Um, right. Yeah, it is what it is. So, ah, okay. Yeah. Uh, so by the squamous by squamous metaplasia. Metaplasia. Fair enough, fair enough. I think that's a very simple answer. Okay, I think this is a pretty good answer, right? We're good. Okay. Now, any other questions that we should add? Think we're good. Yeah. So the another question that can come up, it's a histological question, but describe the changes in the uterus and the cervix during menstrual and ovarian cycles. So if we talk about the uterus, it would be a rather simple trajectory. No problem whatsoever in terms of that. Like the idea behind it was very simple. The whole, you know, everything in regard to that should be simple. Okay. Um. Righty. Righty. Okay. Um. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. So this can be like a very detailed answer. Um. Right. Yeah. Let's make a table. But now this is too detailed. I wonder how much detail you're supposed to like write here. Because you can ideally give a lot of detail, right? Um, so I'm just wondering how much should we give here, um, just to satisfy the examiner, right? Okay, interesting. I think let's keep it simple, right? So I have a bit of text. I'll convert it into a table, and then we'll just plop it there. As simple as that. So yeah, bang. There we go. I think it's a pretty decent one. No problems whatsoever, I suppose. At least that's what I think. Um, but yeah, I don't, you know. Um, hmm. Okay. All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. Good stuff. Okay. I think we're done. Yeah, that's it. Surely we're done. I don't really think there are any other like, questions that are for histology, right? I think we covered most of it. We're good. We are exceptionally good, alhamdulillah. All right, let's add the images and let's make this pretty. Okay, histology of the ovary, set red, trine tube, that's also in red, uterus, pause. Yeah, this one, fair enough, red, cervix, very important stuff, no doubt about it. The vagina, the Bothian cysts, and yeah, this question as well, very important. All right, okay, let's add the images. So histology of the ovary, let's add the images. So histology of the ovary, या पहले जो main हमारा image है वो डाल देते हैं. I think it's like the last one, right? I'm not sure it's all the order of the images here. This is the uterus. The uterus would go uterus. There we go. There we go. Awesome. So uterus की डल गई. ठीक है. Okay, let's see what else do we have. Insert image. Okay, what is this? Okay, perfect. So this is like the main one that we have here, right? This is perfect. Okay, then we have one for the ovary. Let's hope it's this one. This is fallopian tube. Oh, I hate the name fallopian, but anyhow, fallopian tube, fallopian tube. There we go. Bang it right in there. And then, of course, the ovary. That, of course, would be the last one here. This one. Awesome. Love it. Great. We're set. Good, good, good stuff. Good stuff. Surely this can fit in there, right? Yeah, it can. I don't know why it's being like a sissy about it. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Do I want to fit it in there? I can, but do I wanna? Do I wanna? Maybe I do. Anyhow, um, did I not have anything for the cervix? That sucks, doesn't it? I thought I did. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. कोई मसला नहीं. All right, let's find some nice images for our friend, our images, right? So yeah. Okay, where were we? Okay, surely there's like one for male cell female reproductive system. Okay, alhamdulillah, found it. Awesome, love it. Thank you so much, mate. Good stuff. Great stuff, actually. Great stuff. Okay, let's just pick this one. One all-in-one view, right? So love it. Okay, copy image and smash it after this one, right? Sort of crop it up a bit, maybe keep it like this. Oh wait, sorry, what the hell's going on? Oh man, I don't like it when this sort of stuff happens. Uh, okay. Yeah, now if I do it, okay, perfect. Yeah, awesome. Good, great, 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 awesome. Okay, uterine tube. Okay, okay. Oviduct. Yeah, this is good. This is great actually. Just smash it in there. Do this. Crop it. Crop it a good amount actually. And have it there. Oh my word, what's going on? Why is it here? What the hell? What? Uterus? No. Yeah, here. Like, what the hell, brother? Can we decrease the size of that, please? Sure, we can. Okay, good. Great. Mhm. Okay, fine. The uterus now. Okay, love this one. Let's have all of these images. Because why not? Like this is important stuff. This is good stuff. This will help in understanding this stuff. So I'm all for it. All for it, as they say. Decrease the size of that. Have it like this. But yeah, this is simple enough, right? So this is good. This is great. This is great. All right. Okay. Okay. And then you have stuff like this. Isn't this awesome? Like having all of this. It's amazing. It's amazing. Love it. Smash this in here. Crop the size significantly. And yeah, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Okay, one for the cervix, ectocervix, endocervix, that whole lot, right? Increase the size, transform it. Awesome, right? This is so cool. And then finally, we have the histology of the vagina. There we go. Simple stuff. Awesome. Just smash it there. Crop it like a toddler. Like a toddler. And oh my. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, easy there, fella. Easy there. Oh my god. Get out of here. Yeah, perfect. Awesome. Nabotian cyst की image चाहिए भाई Nabotian cyst. ये रहा भाई मिल जा. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, why not? Why not just have this image? Perfect. Good stuff. Smash it there. No one needs to know. Awesome. Okay. Yeah. Um, that's it. I don't think we need an image for this. So that is the part for the yeah. So now the only thing that's left is embryology. Embryology is very simple as well. No complications in that. Um, yeah. So let's get to histology in 5 minutes. Let's take a break, I suppose. Yeah, let's take a break and then we'll be back and then we'll do some histology. So, yeah, let's take a break. See you later, alligator. All righty, back to it, mate. Took a long break, didn't I? That is not ideal. But anyhow, let's begin section three, embryology. Alrighty. Um, yeah, pretty fun, right? Cool stuff, good stuff. What the? Okay, there we go. Need to voice up a section for male and female. Alrighty, mate. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. So like a very, 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 very simple stuff. So we'll add this image that I just made. It's a pretty good image, I hope. Very good infographic. Let's just download that. Give it a minute. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sorry, mate. Okay. Just stop it there. Okay. And then let's check it out. Let's begin. Let's have fun with this. Alrighty. So I did make like a bit of a file which had like a bit of basic data. Let me send that PDF over to myself. Oh no, I'm out of charge, mate. That bloody sucks. I do have that PDF though. I do have that PDF. All righty. Now that image is like a bit of a basic description. Um, but you know, we can make we can make this work. Definitely. Let me find the files, right? Yeah, this one. Let me send this over to myself, right? Uh, there we go. I should be receiving it. Okay, I have received it. Let's open it up, shall we? Okay, looks pretty good, doesn't it? In it looks pretty good. At least I think it does. All right, let's make the most of this. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. Whoa, hello there, son. Hello there. Okay, okay. I hear you. Hmm. Okay. So yeah, let's begin with these images. Um, let's make them a tad bit more, like professional. So let's go to our friend Gemini and let's ask it to recreate an image. Recreate this image to something that is animated and perhaps drawn on a whiteboard. Make sure that the labelings are correct. Oh, let's see what it comes up with. Loading Nano Banana Pro. Okay, love it. Love it so much. Too much. I love it too much. Okay. Yeah, that's not that's not what I want, mate. Look, it should look much cleaner and nicer, more professionally drawn. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. I shall sail on a sea, trying to find my way home. I believe that this world feels like a dream. Whoa, I like it. I like it. But it feels slightly off-putting. Make it feel like sketch drawn on a whiteboard. Proper feel. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it comes up with. Um, this is like the most horrible form of prompt engineering that can be imagined. But yeah, all good in the hood, I suppose. Whoa, there we go. Love this. Love it, love it, love it so much. I think the labeling's all good. This is incredible. Yeah, looks real. Looks real, looks nice. We can use this definitely. I mean, I'm gonna use it in the study guide. I'm gonna use it pretty much everywhere, honestly. Let's do the same for the other diagrams that we have as well. Like this one, right? Very simple, like structure here. Take a screenshot, save that, smash it in, recreate this as well. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Does it remember the style? Will it go for like a different approach? What would it do? What would it do? That's a good question. That's a good question. Oh my word. Whoa. So we have this book called Champions. The world's greatest cricketers speak. Conversation with Mike Howard. Now, who is Mike Howard? Mike Howard. I have no idea who Mike Howard is, but yeah, I'll definitely read this. I think this is lovely. I'll definitely read this one. Oh my. Okay, anyhow, I think it did it. It's done pretty nicely. This is exceptionally cool. Incredible, incredible stuff. Like, absolutely incredible stuff. You can't, like, it's just outlandishly good. It's incredible. And I did not even give it like a prompt. I did not even, like, tell it. I just did it. It just did it. Like, it just did. It did it. I I am, oh no. I can't tell you how um awesome that is. Like, the idea of it feels fabulous. It's impressive. It's awesome. Um, yeah, let's grab the screenshot of the next image. Whoa, did I draw all of this? I did by the looks of it. Wow, interesting. Okay. I wonder if it will get the complication. But let's try. Let's see. Should I give it like the source image? I think I should give it the source image. But then I'm afraid it might. Yeah, because there's so much content here. Let's just pick this one. Let's have this part done by it, and then yeah, and then this part, and then this part, and then this part. Wow, wow. Did it miss something? It did miss something, right? Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Genital tubercle didn't. Why did it? Oh. Ah, okay, that's a problem. Yep, that is a problem in it. Definitely a problem. Hmm. Yeah, let's ask it to recreate this drawing on a whiteboard. Make it neater and cleaner. Okay, let's try one more time. So of course, this process would take a bit of a while. Let's just get all of our, um, ready, right? So I've all these screenshots ready. We'll feed it into the system one by one, and we'll go from there, I suppose. Right? Okay, this is like the final one. So we have like a couple more left. Once that's done, we can have a nice day. We can have a good day. Let's see. Combining whiteboard diagrams. What do you mean combining? Oh my word, what are you doing, mate? Come on, son. Oh no. I did not want you to do that. But you did. Didn't you? That is, yeah, that is not what I wanted, but it looks pretty good. Wow, it looks pretty good. Oh, it looks awesome. It looks awesome. I'm taking this. Yeah, we're good. We are good. Hmm, I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, good stuff. Then let's ask it to just recreate. Whoa, just recreate this. Whiteboard, neater, cleaner, labeling should be after. Boom, let's see what it does. I'm sure it might mess up a bit, but we'll catch it when it does. So it's incredible. This is incredible stuff. Absolutely mind blowing. Out of the water's good. Awesome stuff. Okay. Um, so while we're doing this, let's just see the types of questions that can come up in regards to embryology. I'm just going through like a set of questions and seeing कि like क्या है क्या नहीं है. अभी तक मुझे कोई मिला नहीं है सवाल. Oh wow. Oh wow. What the hell, brother? Huh? What? That is no. Hello. Are you okay? Um. Hmm. I don't know. I don't. What is it doing? I think it's gone mad. It's gone bonkers. Yeah, it's gone bonkers. I mean, that's not what I asked you to do. Hello? Are you okay, mate? Hmm? Hmm. Um, okay, let's make it, yeah, let's just have a new chat. It messed up a bit. No worries at all. Kindly recreate this on whiteboard. Make it neat and clean and make sure the labeling is correct. Smash it in. Let's see what it does. It messed up last time around, but okay, that is not what I wanted. But I don't think it messed up. So I wanted to have color and you know it should look like a proper illustration on a whiteboard. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it comes up with. कैसी हरकतें कर रहे हो एमा शीशे पे लग Okay. So look at these awesome illustrations. I think it's doing a very good job. Um, let's add some more images. What else do we have left? I think, okay, there are three more that need to be done. Now do this one. Have it. Okay. Okay, this looks decent as well. I don't think it's messed up any of the labelings, which is interesting and pretty cool as well. I appreciate that part. And then 1 4, I think this is the final one, second final one, second last one. Now this one, make it extra special. Ooh, maybe what the hell did it do? Whoa, that's good. But it's straying away from what I'm asking it to do. I said recreate this one, not the other one. Oh no. Recreate it. Colors and neatness, proper labeling on a whiteboard, make it extra special. Okay, I don't know about that one. It's okay, we'll use it. I don't mind. Okay, one final one, and then we are done. Isn't that cool? We can finally build up on that thing now, isn't it? That would be nice to do. That would be nice to do. I think I just used the base image. I think this image is good. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. One final prompt, and then let's start writing stuff down, I suppose. G. Okay. Oh, wow. I don't think I asked for that, but yeah, I don't think I asked for that. Hello, what the hell, mate? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What are you doing, mate? What are you doing, mate? Come on, mate. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is so good. That is so good. I love it. I love it. Lovely, lovely stuff. We are done. We are good. Let's get started. So, first question. So, part one. Whoa. Male genital. So part one is male reproductive system. Question number one. From what? From which embryological structure do the male reproductive organs develop? So, testis is from the gonadal ridge, epididymis, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, seminal vesicle from the mesonephric slash Wolffian duct, prostate and bulbourethral glands from the urogenital sinus, penis, genital tubercle, scrotum, labio, scrotal. Okay, question number two. What is the role of SRY gene in male development. Now, I think this is like personally the favorite question because SRY, it's awesome, it's lovely. It is on the Y chromosome, and it initiates the testicular differentiation by converting the primitive gonads into testis. Number three. So I think we don't need to like talk about the you know, hormones, but I think we should. So what hormones are secreted by the fetal testis, and what are their functions? So that's like a pretty solid question, right? Um, so of course you have testosterone, right? Testosterone from the Leydig cells. They helps develop Wolffian or mesonephric duct derivatives. And then you have anti-Mullerian Mulle- Mullerian hormone, AMH, which is, you know, Sertoli cells, and those cause regression of Mullerian ducts. Awesome, right? Or, you know, you could say para mesonephric ducts. Great stuff. Question number four. Steady we go. What structures? Yeah, we know we know that, right? Describe the descent of the testis. Of course, mate. Describe the descent of the testis. Oh, okay. Now I don't think I did this, but I think I should. Do you see this awesome thing? Let's do it. Uh, okay. Help me make a nice whiteboard sketch to depict the descent of the testis. Make it neat, with color, and exceptionally refined. Let's see what it comes up with. Awesome. I'm a champion. Oh, oh, oh. Do, 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 do. Now I wonder what is even there to talk about, right? Like, what should I be talking about? There's not really much to explore. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Interesting. I don't know what it did, but are we sure this is accurate? I hope it is. Because if it's not, then it's not, right? It's not a good sign. Um, I'll take it. It's okay. I don't see a problem. Yeah, I don't see a problem in this. It's okay. Okay. Awesome. Love it. I'll describe the descent of the testis. So testis develop in the lumbar region. They descend via the inguinal canal guided by the tubernaculum, reaches the scrotum by the seventh to eighth month of gestation. So let's discuss embryological causes of cryptorchism. And what are the embryological causes of cryptorchidism? So it could be anything, right? Like out of these ones, it could be any of these reasons. Could be any of these reasons. Right, no need to have that. Alrighty. I think that's good enough. Let's talk about the female reproductive system, right? That's a very important part to know. Um, yeah. So let's do part two, female reproductive system. So question number, wait, don't tell me if I messed up in this. No, I'm not, right? Yeah. सबका अलग होना चाहिए. I hope so, at least. Please. Okay, I think I'm okay. I think I'm good. Righty. Okay. Question number six. Let's get it. Shall we? Shall we not? Okay. I don't know. Maybe should I start with question number one? Okay. Sorry, mate. Uh, let me see. मैंने histology के अंदर क्या किया है? मेल की अलग 1 2 3 की है और फीमेल की अलग 1 2 3 की है, राइट? हाँ, ऐसा ही किया है. तो फिर let's maintain that same thing, right? So question number one, as simple as that, from which embryological structures do the female reproductive system develops, right? So no bullshit there. Keep the answer simple, sweet, awesome, and yeah. So अगर हम females का देखें ना तो सबका सीन एक जैसा ही है. Like there is no shame, uh, you know, in that sense. So ovary is from the gonadal ridge. The uterus, cervix, uterine tube, upper two-third of the vagina are from the Mullerian ducts or the paramesonephric ducts. Lower one-third of the vagina is the urogenital sinus. The clitoris is genital tubercle. Labia majora from the genital setting and labia minora from the urogenital folds. Awesome stuff, isn't it? Um, right. Okay. ठीक है. सही है. Um, Yeah, and that's it. Like, there's no other detail that needs to be done. Like, oh my word, okay. Uh, yeah, सब कुछ हो गया इसी में, right? I hope so. Let's check it out. Let's see if there are any um questions that need to be done. Development of the uterus. हो गया ना, Mullerian ducts ही तो है. Like, और क्या? We're good. Honestly, I think we're good. Yeah, 100%, 100% we're good. 100% we're good. अब एक और क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Uh, what are the common congenital anomalies due to Malayan duct defects? Yes, that is a possible question for sure. पूछ सकते हैं, why not? Right? So you need to know the names, bicornuate, septate, right? All of those things. You need to know those things. So yeah, ये हो गया question number 3. What is Mayer Rotke Tenshi Hoser syndrome? That's a very dumb name, isn't it? Congenital absence. Oh, like, but it's not like a quite a sad thing. Okay, let's just separate these names out. Awesome. We're done. बस images डालनी है, images डाल देते हैं थोड़ी, अच्छा लग जाएगा, गुड हो जाएगा, सेट है। सही है, तो ये हमने इसे वो कर दिया, इसे ऑफ कोर्स रेड करना है। I wonder how well you can hear me considering this mic, unless I speak very directly at it, it won't pick up any sound, which is interesting, and quite the thing. Um, okay, ये भी हो गया। इसमें थोड़ी सी स्पेस दे देते हैं, राइट? क्या? अच्छा जी। ओके। ओके। Okay, awesome. 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 I love this so far. Let's add the images. Um, yeah, why not? So Gemini, so many Gemini images. सबसे पहले मेल जेनिटल वो डाल देते हैं, वो जो हमारा इसका था डिसेंट ऑफ द टेस्टिस वाला, अच्छा सा बन जाएगा, इमेज डाल देते हैं भाई इधर, व्हाई नॉट। वाओ, ओके, ऑसम यार, incredible, incredible stuff, I'm telling you, this is incredible stuff. You couldn't imagine this. अगर हम इसे थोड़ा छोटा करके साइड पे डाल दें, नहीं यार ऐसे ही सही है। अच्छा, ठीक है, सही है। अच्छा, इधर फिर हमने ना वो डालना होगा, वो जो यू नो दैट पीनस थिंगी, देयर वी गो। अच्छा नहीं, इसके अंदर दोनों है, एक्सटर्नल जेनिटलिया दोनों दिखाए हैं, ठीक है। तो इसे हम ऐसे डाल तो देते हैं, बट या व्हाई डोंट वी, दिस इज लाइक एक्सटर्नल जेनिटलिया, राइट? सो इंटरेस्टिंग, सही है। इसे हम कहाँ डालें? मे बी द स्टार्ट, लाइक या इधर ही डाल देते हैं, राइट? इधर ही डाल देते हैं। सही रहेगा, इधर डाल देते हैं। अच्छा, इसको थोड़ा सा बढ़ा देते हैं। ओ नो वेट। अच्छा, वैसे भी यार आई थिंक ये इमेजेस का थोड़ा सा वो होगा, लाइक डिसइंटीग्रेशन एंड स्टफ। अच्छा, इंसर्ट, और क्या क्या है? ये किस चीज़ की है भाई? ये है आपकी फीमेल का, तो ये इसको कट कर देते हैं। फीमेल की हम चीज़ें कहाँ डालें? Because there's like not much space, right? इधर डाल दी, for example, right? Let's have like two images here. Let's add another one. So I actually should have labeled these images as well. My bad for not doing so, I suppose. अच्छा, ये चीज़ उधर आ सकती है, राइट? बिल्कुल स्टार्ट में, तो इसे हम स्टार्ट में डाल देते हैं, इधर डाल देते हैं, सही है। Looks good that way. um सेट हो गया, सेट हो गया, सेट हो गया। अच्छा, और क्या इमेज है भाई? ये है। अच्छा, ये तो डाल दिए भाई, सॉरी। अच्छा, लेट्स ऐड अनदर इमेज। यार देखो, ऐसे ही होता है, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, अरेंज करना पड़ता है ना सामान। इट्स ओके। अच्छा, ये चीज़, ओके, ऑसम, सो दिस इज another great you know simple image to show development. I think this can go here. Perfect, awesome, love it, इधर ही रहे, सही है। अच्छा, ठीक हो गया, सही है। अच्छा जी, और इधर अगर हम डालने की कोशिश करें, आगे क्या है भाई? ठीक है, एक दो तीन चार पाँचवीं, ये किस चीज़ की है? अच्छा, ये भी उसी की ही है, सारी उसी की ही है, क्या ही बात है। अच्छा, इसको कट करके इसको भी इधर ही डाल देते हैं, राइट? आई थिंक इसके अंदर भी वो डिसेंट ऑफ टेस्टिस ही दिखाया हुआ है, which is interesting because I have this image as well there. Okay, yeah, this deserves to go over here. इसको थोड़ा सा छोटा कर देते हैं ताकि फिट शिट हो जाए। अच्छा जी, यार फीमेल का और नहीं है क्या? श्योर होगा यार, श्योर होगा, आई एम 100% श्योर। लेट मी सी, इज दिस इट? आई थिंक दिस इज इट। या मे बी दिस इज इट। लेट्स सी। ओके, ये डाला हुआ है। हाँ, मे दिस इज इट। या यू आर राइट, 100%। अच्छा, तो अब हम इधर कंजेना नामीज मलेरियन ट्यूब डिफेक्ट्स की ना वो तस्वीर डाल देते हैं, बहुत अच्छी सी तस्वीर है। ये वाली ना, इसके अंदर सारे लाइक लिक बने हुए हैं। हम्म, तो ये डाल देते हैं। सेट है, परफेक्ट, ये डल गया भाई। अच्छा, इसको सेंटर लाइन कर देता हूँ। सेट है। अच्छा, ये वाला मेयर, इसकी भी अगर हम तस्वीर डाल देते हैं तो व्हाई नॉट, यू नो। वाओ, दैट इज इनसेन एंड सैड, वेरी वेरी सैड। वाओ, या unimaginable, like, you know, feels sad. Wow, 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 wow. I think this image is good, even though it's like थोड़ा detail है, but it deserves to, you know, have some home detail. इसको थोड़ा सा छोटा कर देते हैं। ओके जी, सेट हो गया। आई थिंक दिस इज परफेक्ट, ऑसम। अच्छा जी, अब इसे थोड़ा सा हम इंडेक्स का पार्ट भी सही बना लेते हैं। तो सेक्शन 1, मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम एनाटमी है तो ब्लू कर देते हैं भाई। अच्छा, इंडेक्स शुरू करते हैं भाई। फर्स्ट अप इज एनाटमी। हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर देयर? लेट्स हैव अ लुक। 43 क्वेश्चंस, सही। 43 क्वेश्चंस। सेट है, इसके अंदर फिर वो सेक्शंस हैं। मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, फीमेल, या बस मेल फीमेल कर देते हैं ना। मेल हो गया, फीमेल हो गया, अब इसे थोड़ा वैसे कर देते हैं, in the, yeah, and then keep it like this. And then we have histology. हिस्टोलॉजी के अंदर आई थिंक थोड़े कम सवाल हैं। सही है। एक से कितना है? 5, 5 एंड देन 5 प्लस 5 प्लस 8, 13, 13 क्वेश्चंस। So this is male and then female. Embryology, एम्ब्रियोलॉजी के भाई कितने सवाल हैं ये भी देख लेते हैं। So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and then 8 questions, interesting। 8 questions. वही मेल फिर फीमेल ऑसम सेट हो गया इसे थोड़ा सा छोटा कर देते हैं और चेंज कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा अमेटिक नहीं एवेने नहीं oh what a nice font mate Jakarta sans नहीं है क्या Jakarta there we go found it let's download that आ जाइए क्या है चपाती लिया oh, oh. Alrighty perfect let's get it mate oh, sorry oh my I'm so excited I'm always oh I am always excited at a launch that's just me okay अच्छा मैंने इधर एनाटमी की भी दो हेडिंग डालनी एनाटमी ये एनाटमी की हेडिंग डल गई भाई वड्डी सी हेडिंग डाल देते हैं font plus Jakarta Sans love that font mate absolutely love that font anatomy का bookmark right bookmark copy that and then paste that there mail का bookmark इसको भी हम वो कर लेते हैं Jakarta Sans right bookmark copy that and then paste that mate that's how we go it that's how we go about it oh female का आ गया था I was like I was scrolling through did not really care that's not the way you do it Jakarta Sans G mama okay G alrighty I think we're done then I think बस अब ये इतना रहता है कि मैं इसे बुकमार्क्स वगैरह पेस्ट कर दूं तो सेट है ये हो गया बस we're good and I guess that's it I shall see you inshallah in a new stream where we start our physiology document isn't that cool so set है ठीक है I'll see you later take care